All right, we are up to number 15, which uses the same graph, the same data. I don't need all this stuff, but don't feel like erasing it just yet, since number 15 doesn't really have a whole lot of math involved to it for the most part. I don't really need to, a lot of board space. 50 just asks us for the 30th percentile in the company's annual sales. 30th percentile just means we want to arrange the data so we got our highest to our lowest, and we're looking to find the cutoff at which 30% is below that value. So we're finding the cutoff between the lowest 30% and the highest 70%, basically. That's what your 30th percentile is. If we have 10 values, 30% of 10 is 3, so we're just looking for the bottom 3, which is here we're looking for the cutoff for the 28 and the 34. And just like on getting the median, where it's between those, I would probably add these together. They're off by 6, so half of that is 3. I'd probably go to 31 because it's right in the middle of there. And say 31 is probably where they would consider it. We look down here, there's only one value anywhere near that. That's the 28 million. So that's actually the third measurement. So different courses are going to have different ways of getting those percentiles. When you have things of this nature, you really need more than just 10 measurements to find where the cutoff would be. And there's always some mathematical methods that kind of give you numbers. Some of them will give you decimals. We just need it somewhere around that area, because 30% that way, 70% that way. It's probably between these somewhere with most formulaic approaches you use. Only one number they give you is anywhere near that. So we're going to look at it and say we got to have these bottom 3 in our lower 30% and find the value that does that, and that'd be the 28. So anyway, that's how you do number 15.